Hey, thanks so much for stopping by. Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I know how unsettling it can be to cook whole fish. I'm gonna show you just how easy it is. We're gonna bake it in the oven. So simple, so delicious. Cooking whole fish can be intimidating, but I'm here to debunk all the myths because it is way easier to make than you may have thought. We're gonna first be starting off with some whole fresh Branzino. While this same method applies to any fish, if you'd like to order some whole fish, you can do so by calling the Heinen Seafood Department 3 days before you're ready to pick it up, and when it's time, your order will be ready to go. We are going to start off by rinsing off this fish inside and out, so take it over to a sink, and we just want to get some cold water on the outside and the inside cavity, and then next, we're going to set it on some paper towels. What we want to do is dry it off completely, pat it dry. This will help brown and crisp up our skin and that all of the juices will remain inside. Now let's transfer it back from where our sink is over to where our cutting board is. We're going to transfer it onto a cookie sheet tray lined with parchment paper. You can absolutely line it with foil if you'd like. Either will work great. Now what we want to do is take a sharp knife. We're going to make 6 little slices on the top part of the fish. This is known as scoring. It's going to help let all those juices and flavors get into the inside of the fish. Now what we want to do is generously drizzle on some olive oil all over the tops, on the bottom, in the inside cavity. Use your hands to rub it in or a brush. Now what we want to do is generously season it on all sides with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Again, both sides, inside cavity, all around. Now for a little bit more flavor, we're going to stuff it up with some lemon slices and some dill. You could absolutely add on oranges or even limes. And for a little added bonus, I'm going to add some slices underneath. So lay some down on that sheet tray and then just simply place the fish right on top of those slices. Now that everything's done, it looks fantastic. We're going in the oven on 450 degrees. It's going to take in between 18 and 22 minutes for this to cook through and to get a nice little brown on top. At this time, let's take our fish out. It looks fantastic. The smell is amazing. So much lemon, so much dill, great flavors. Now what I like to do is add on a little bit of unsalted melted butter, totally optional here. And then let's load it up with herbs. I've got some lemon wedges, some dill, some sliced chives, and even some crushed red pepper flakes. Such a fantastic, easy, quick way. I mean, we're talking under 22 minutes for this to completely finish cooking. A great meal for the whole family to enjoy, and I hope you're no longer scared to cook whole fish because it is so simple. Got a lot of this to eat. See you next time.